Hello, friends. I'm Parul Agarwal from Parul's Magic back again with a short video. I've been asked so many times from many of my students that what is the difference between paying gratitude, saying gratitude, feeling gratitude. Gratitude is something that you feel, it's not just that you say. Suppose we meet a delivery boy visiting our house to deliver some parcel or a food parcel, and we just say thank you to them. Do we really mean that thank you? Most of the times, what happen? We start judging people, and we do so because we don't actually understand people. There is a popular say or a phrase that don't judge a book by its cover. उसका सबसे बड़ा रीज़न ये होता है that most of the people do judge a book by its cover because they are maybe not capable of reading the book, or maybe they are not even capable of reading, so they just judge the book by its cover. Same happens with human beings. We do judge people, but if you really want to be grateful, instead of saying thank you, please try and understand people. uh, it has been several times with us, like we do travel in cab, we do have staff at home, we do have people working under us, and at times they overreact, or maybe they don't behave in the way we expect them to, and this hurts us, and we judge them to be a person with ill mannerism, who don't have etiquettes, and then we start rating them badly. And if it is a cab driver, we give them a bad rating, we put up a bad feedback. If it's a maid or a staff at home, we either bully them or thrash them, or at times we are so complaining that we even remove them from the work, and we terminate them from their job. But this is the time when we should actually feel thank you and try and understand people, that maybe the person's behavior was not according to our wish, was not according to our expectations, but maybe the person is going through some bad time, maybe the person had a bad experience just before they approached us. So sometimes understanding their condition and overlooking their misbehavior or something that they did against our wish is also a way of saying thank you. Guys, if a delivery boy delivers food at your doorstep without you being going out and in a hygienic manner, he takes the pain and within the stipulated time he delivers, please feel thank you for the person, and just without them asking for the rating, rate them well. Understand your staff, understand your working people under you, and that is the best way to thank you. So please, guys, before you actually read the or judge the book by its cover, try and read it. If not completely, at least few pages. That will help you out understanding the person. Thank you.